Well, I don't know how long I have for this video. Way out of memory or storage and whatever, but the Osprey are back. It's Sunday, April 23rd, I think around 9:30. And you know what? It is a beautiful day out. Don't forget your stool now. You got to have something dry to sit on. Your umbrella, of course. Yep. Look at all the red-winged blackbirds out there. Just singing away. They look like a nest. No, that's just, looks like a piece of the tree just kind of got happy and grew. Bunch of starlings up there. Bad birds. Bad, bad. Yeah, this is a gorgeous day. Y'all might think it's glum. Nope. You need to think outside the box, or the circle, or the square. Yeah, square is a box. Alright. Anywho, I guess I get lots of... They're all stuck inside. Except for that feller. Looks like he's doing some mopping. Well, yeah, if you haven't already guessed it, that's the Rotary Marsh. And of course, this over here is Tugboat Beach. And beyond that is the, well, waterfront park. Let's go out and get dripped on.